So here we are in Cape Town for the first ever ABB FIA Formula E World Championship race. The first ever World Championship race since 1993 in South Africa. Sam, unfortunately, really unlucky, had an accident in qualifying. Wasn't his fault, but it's taken him out of the race today. Mitch, though, did a fantastic job. He's P4, second row of the grid, so eyes forward, that's our focus.
All 5 lights are on, and we go green in Cape Town. Is under investigation for overpower, so that is using too much power.
Unfortunately, it's not been our perfect race today. We started in 4th, Mitch was running in a really strong position, had taken his attack mode, but unfortunately we've got a drive-through penalty for an overpower at the start of the race. We'll take that away, look at where we can improve in terms of that control side of the car. Ultimately, not quite the day in terms of points for us here in Cape Town.